Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make Fiji style chicken in soy sauce. So let's get started. I've got here 1 kilo of boneless chicken. You can use any part of the chicken, just take the bones out. 3 medium carrots cut into julienne, 4 medium onions which I have thinly sliced, 2 sticks of celery which I have cut into julienne, 1/4 cup of oil, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of chicken seasoning which is optional, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 6 cloves of grated garlic, some black pepper, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 1 chilli which I have made into a paste, and salt to taste. Take a pot, put it on medium heat, add oil and heat it. Add ginger and garlic, give it a mix and cook it until it gets a light brown color. Add chicken and half teaspoon of salt. Give it a mix and cook it until the chicken is cooked and any liquid that comes out of the chicken is dry and the oil becomes clear, stirring it frequently. Add carrots, celery, chili paste, half teaspoon of chicken seasoning, or you can use salt, freshly ground black pepper, and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Give it a mix, put a lid on and cook it for 5 minutes, stirring it twice during cooking. After 5 minutes, add onions and sesame oil. Give it a mix, put a lid on and cook it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, give it a mix and taste your salt. It doesn't need any more salt, but you can always add it according to your taste. Turn the heat off and let me dish it out and show you. My Fiji style chicken in soy sauce is ready and you can serve it with your favorite rice, roti or toast. Enjoy. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy recipes, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.